Hello friends, welcome to our training video presented by Hana Equipments India Private Limited. This is KS Metkari and I am going to show you how to calibrate our bench pH meter model number HI2215. Basically HI2215 is a microprocessor bench pH meter which has a 5-point calibration facility. But today we will see how to calibrate your meter for pH 4 and 7.01 buffer solution. Basically this is a 2-point calibration. So I will show you how to perform 2-point calibration. First, check all the required accessories. Make sure that your electrode and the temperature probe is connected to the meter. Connect the pH electrode. And temperature probe to the meter. Then take pH 7.01 buffer sample, pH 4.01 buffer sample, distill water to clean the electrode. Make sure that all your buffer sample are fresh. Then submerge the pH electrode and temperature probe into the 7 pH buffer solution. The temperature probe should be close to the pH electrode. Now I will show you the closed loop. Now press the cal to enter into the calibration mode. The CAL and buffer tag will appear on the display and the 7.01 will display on the secondary LCD. When the reading is stable and close to 7.01 pH, the instrument will display ready and blinking CFM tag. At this time, press CFM key to confirm the calibration. After this, the instrument will show the calibrated value and the second buffer solution 4.01 pH. Then clean the electrode with the distilled water. And submerge your electrode into 4.01 buffer solution. When the reading is stable and close to 4.01 buffer, the ready tag and blinking CFM tag will appear on the display. At this time, press CFM key to confirm the second calibration point. After this 2-point calibration, the instrument will show you third point, that is a 10.01. At this time, please press cal to exit the calibration mode. The instrument will memorize the calibration data and it will return to measurement mode. So this is a normal 2-point calibration for HI2215. You can calibrate your meter regularly for better accuracy, but the instrument should be recalibrated whenever the pH electrode is replaced, at least once a week, at the time of testing aggressive chemicals, or when your instrument started showing calibration due. In 4 cases you can calibrate your meter. So this is a small demonstration of HI2215. Thank you.